The most important exercise you can do to improve your neck posture and to reduce issues at the base of your neck is neck retractions. But what I've noticed in the last year or so of doing these types of exercises daily is that if you extend your mid-back, it improves the effectiveness of these exercises significantly. So what if we extend the mid-back completely while doing these retractions? Let's check it out. So lying face down, lift up onto your elbows into the Sphinx position, but have your hands well apart. Push your body right up and have your chin tucked in, not lifted up. And from that tucked in position, allow your head to drop forward and relax slightly, and then draw your head straight back with your chin in. Hold for a few seconds, and then repeat that 10 to 15 times slowly. Don't have your chin up too much or forced down too much. Just tuck it in slightly, and as you're coming back, you should feel it mobilizing joints at the base of your neck and working the muscles hard at the base of your neck or in between your shoulder blades. If it hurts, just back off or stop. Try varying the angle of your torso a little bit. If you're down further, it's easier, but you're not working the muscles quite as much. But if you're up too far, it's hard to move your head much at all. So just see what feels right for you. Retractions strengthen deep neck flexors and mobilize the joints at the base of your neck that tend to get stuck in that forward head position. Extending the mid-back allows you to mobilize the joints a lot more. But another major benefit of this exercise is that it mobilizes the mid-back too. In a lot of people, their poor posture starts from a rounded mid-back, so this helps address that issue. So there you go. Give this exercise a whirl, see if you like it. If you do, add it to your routine to bomb-proof your body and enjoy.